Hi lovers, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ebun Osayemi, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. And if it's not, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. In today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be reviewing Fenty Skin. So I got Fenty Skin back a little bit about 4-5 months ago when it first came out. And I was very excited to try this product out when I got it in the mail. Like we all see Rihanna's skin, and her skin is just flawless. It's very beautiful. And it's like, I want that. Like I want what you have, I want it on my face. Whatever you're using, I want to use those products too. I know I'm not the only one. It's a bunch of us out there. We all struggle with acne, hyperpigmentation, blackheads, etc. I will be honest that when I first started using this skincare products, my skin did not like it at all. The cleanser was fine, but the toner and the moisturizer, my skin was like, no, we are not messing with this product. So I had to wash it off my face immediately as soon as I used it. And the reason being is because it has fragrance in it. My skin is very sensitive. I have very sensitive oily / combination skin. So putting things that have fragrance in them tends to irritate my skin a lot more. I have to like consistently train my skin to accept fragrances and other skincare products that I really want to use. So yes, I do train my skin to take it, which is very awful, very bad, but hey, like it's my skin and I basically can do whatever I want to do with it, okay? But yeah, so starting off with the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. Now this right here is Pure Luxury. So it's supposed to purify pores and help fight shine long after you've rinsed it off. It's not supposed to dry you out. It smells like cherries and coconut. I'm not too sure about that. I don't know. I don't smell cherry or coconut in this. I smell something else. I don't know if that's just me, but that's just what I see. That's just what I smell. And I definitely do have to agree with this, with Rihanna in this. This product really does do all the things that it says it's going to do. My only thing is, again, the fragrance in this. I like using fragrance-free skincare products on my skin, but I did train my skin to like be able to use these products because they are really good, and I didn't want to waste my money, you know, with these products, because they're expensive, okay? These are not cheap. These are not drugstore value products. These are somewhat medium to high-end products. So the skin, you need to get used to it, boo. You just need to do. But I will say, if you are using this as a makeup remover, go in and cleanse your face 2 times versus once, just in my opinion. But this, it smells really good. The color is very pretty. I'm not gonna squeeze some out because I'm not gonna waste products like that, okay? I'm just not doing that right now. But yeah, this is very good. This is brilliant to be able to put everything in one and all of the ingredients that she has in it. First ingredient is water, which is very important to me. I love seeing water as the first base ingredients in a lot of my skincare products. So I definitely will recommend the Total Cleanser. It's very luxurious, okay? Like it feels very rich. It's very creamy. It lathers really good, really well. And even I've seen my sisters use this and they know Fenty Skin is off limits. But definitely go ahead and pick yourself one. It's really good. So moving on to the toner, Fat Water, because she's thick. Now this one I don't mind wasting. I'll pour some out so that y'all can see what this looks like. So she's thick. She's called Fat Water. I personally am not a big fan of this. As you can tell, I don't use it as much. Like that's all that I've used in this, because I had to go back into her skincare products and see what was irritating my skin, and I figured it was actually this one because the scent is a lot. It's the fragrance in this one in particular is too much for my skin to take on. I'm actually against these products because I do find it very drying on the face. It's not the #1 product that I reach for when I want to use my toner. I use the Paula's Choice toner instead, actually, versus using a Fenty Skin toner. And Paula's Choice, yo, I'm gonna put you on in another video. Paula's Choice is the go-to for a toner exfoliant or any toner in general, because it just leaves your skin looking beautiful. So I would have rather she came out with 4 products instead: the cleanser, the toner, some kind of a vitamin C, or niacinamide kind of products, and then the moisturizer, versus trying to pack it all into 3 products. I just felt like she was trying to do the most without really doing the most, in my opinion, and this is just very overwhelming, and it dries out my face immediately as soon as I use it. And then lastly, Rihanna's Hydra Visor Invisible Moisturizer that has SPF 30 in it, and SPF is very important, which is why I like this moisturizer. It's actually a really good moisturizer. It's very rich, very creamy. Again, a lot of Rihanna's products, from what I've noticed, it's just very luxury feel. Like, it's luxury at a very affordable price, and I love that about it. Like, my skincare is something that I'm willing to spend extra money on just because it's skincare, and for me, in order for my makeup to look good, the skin has to look good and the skin has to look great. So I don't mind splurging money on skincare in order for me to get the results that I want. And this product right here is definitely like, it's oh my goodness, like, it's very good. So my skin didn't like this product in the very beginning, so instead I was using it as an hand cream. As you all know, we're all washing our hands a lot more than usual now, so I would carry this with me around and just use it as a hand cream instead, because it just felt so rich and so nice. And then I went out of my Ola Henriksen moisturizer, so I was like, okay, I was going through like my cabinet trying to find another moisturizer to use, and then I was like, wait, I have Fenty skin, let me try it again. And I tried it, and my skin loved it. Like, it plumped up my skin a lot more. The brightness that it brings to my skin makes me just look a lot more, you know, a lot more good on Zoom. Like, I tried, but I really didn't try. It's my moisturizer doing all the work for me. It goes really well with makeup is what I've seen. It's refillable, so you don't need to toss this product out. You can go ahead, order yourself a new Fenty skin products, and just refill this bottle right here. And I believe this is like, yeah, so just like that, you can, once this is done, you can recycle it and just go ahead and get yourself a new pump. Usually on most days I don't wear makeup, but I do wear sunscreen to go out, and for some reason sunscreens just make you look casket ready. My go-to sunscreen actually is this Unseen sunscreen by Supergoop, and I use this sunscreen because you can't see it. I would definitely buy these 2 products again, the cleanser and the moisturizer, but definitely would not be repurchasing the fat water. Recommend the cleanser, very rich, very luxury based cleanser. It's really good, and you don't feel very dried out whenever you do use this cleanser. And I would definitely recommend the moisturizer. Same effects with it, very luxurious, feels very good to the skin. It's very beautiful, but would not recommend the fat water. There are definitely other alternatives that you can use as a toner that works really well, if not better than the Fenty Skin Fat Water. And you can even buy them at the drugstore, which I do have some drugstore toners that do a lot better than this one. This isn't my go-to products. Like I said earlier, I would have rather she came out with 4 products instead of 3, so that way she's not trying to push them all in together at once. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video out with every single person that you know, and hit the like button and hit the bell notification button so you're notified of whenever I do upload. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and Happy New Year. Bye. Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of this gravity? Ground me when I'm tumbling, it down to earth. You bring me